budding artists! Today, get ready to add a touch of love and style as we draw and color a dress adorned with hearts. Are you excited to create your own fashionable masterpiece? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker, and let's begin our fashion journey. Start by drawing the top part of the dress, the neckline, sleeves, and don't forget to add a belt and ribbon around the waist. Then, draw a heart shape in the center of the chest. It's already looking lovely! Cool! Now, let's add the lower part of the dress. Imagine it flowing gracefully.
Awesome!
Decorate it with small heart shapes all around. Let love be the theme of our dress today.
Wow!
Let's make our dress stand out even more. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. See how it adds that extra touch of definition and elegance to our creation? And now, let's add some color to our fashionable creation. Today, we're going to use crayons. Grab your crayons, and let's make our dress vibrant and eye-catching. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Wow!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Let's clean up our artwork with a black marker, making those outlines crisp and clear. We'll use colored markers to color the small hearts. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Well done, little artists! There you have it, a dress filled with love and style, created by you. Until next time, keep on creating and spreading love, little artists. Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create something fabulous, a high heel shoe. So grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's outline our shoe. Draw a simple curved line for the sole. Remember, it's okay if it's not perfect. We're having fun. Time for the elegant heel. Draw a long, slender line extending from the back of the shoe. Make it as tall as you like. Our shoe is taking shape.
Wow!
Grab your black marker again. Trace over the shoe outline to make it bold and sharp. Don't forget the heel. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's choose some vibrant colors. Red color.
Cool!
Cherry red color. Golden color.
Awesome!
And there you have it, a beautiful high heel. Remember, art is all about creativity, so feel free to add your own flair. Greetings, little royalty! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where today, we're diving into the majestic world of crowns. Let's embark on a magical journey together. Grab your black marker, and let's start creating our fabulous crown. Begin by drawing the shape of the crown on your paper, embracing the elegance fit for a king or queen. Now, let's add some sparkle. Imagine dazzling stones adorning your crown. Add them along the top, giving it that extra touch of regal brilliance. To make our crown truly majestic, let's make those outlines bold and sharp. Feel the power and grandeur as your drawing comes to life. And now, it's time to add a burst of color to your royal creation. Grab your color pens, and let's paint this crown with all the splendor it deserves. Indigo color. Orange color. Yellow color.
Cool!
Green color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Deep pink color. Blue color. Dark blue color. Behold, your magnificent crown is complete. If you had a royal time today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more majestic adventures, and share your grand artwork in the comments below. Until next time, keep on creating little royalty. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.